Welcome back to Twin Cities Outdoors, folks. Today I'm out on an oxbow of the Minnesota River, not too far from the airport actually. I got tipped off to this spot by a gentleman named Nick. He emailed me and told me that there's some fish trapped in this oxbow and I should go check it out. So thank you, Nick, for doing that, and we're gonna go catch some. Stay tuned. Alright, first impressions. Doesn't look like a soul's been out here. And ice looks a little sketchy towards the edges, but it's apparently all sealed off, so should be safe. I'm gonna grab the auger, do a couple test holes, and then we're gonna get started. Make sure you got spikes. Go. Hooked up. Crappie, first fish of the day. Got him on the Northland buckshot spoon. I think that's a 16th ounce. That's a nice little crappie. Not long, but it's actually, at least it's a little fat. Here we go. See ya. Good, they're gonna eat the spoon a little bit, huh? Now, rumor has it we got some black and white crappie, largemouth, walleye, and then I hear there's some white bass in here, and I've never caught a white bass, so that'd be a nice little surprise. Something good. Wow. First carp through the ice. Ate the spoon. Holy moly. That was a good fight. Surprise catch out here on an Oxbow Lake of the Minnesota River. Got a tip from a buddy. And first ever carp through the ice. What a rush. Oh. One more look on this bloody guy, and we're gonna let her go. Woo! That's a rush. That was pulling some drag, baby. Here we go, another hook up. Sunny. Man, these are just healthy fish in here. Beautiful colors on them, and fins are filled out. Bodies are thick. Probably what's down here is a lot of bluegill. There we go. Nice crappie. He just inhaled the spoon. Another crappie. Got a little school developing. Oh boy. Feels like another carp. I got him by the fin. It's a carp again. Doesn't look like he's hooked in the mouth. And there he goes. There's another carp. Nice crappie. Ate the little brass colored tungsten jig with the clam plastic on there and a chartreuse. They're thick. Not too long, but they're thick and they're beautiful. Oh, little squeaker. Alright, that's going to be a good one to end on. You know, I didn't really know what to expect coming out here. I just kind of went off the tip I was given by Nick. And man, I'm glad I listened to his advice. Got some nice crappie and a bluegill. And then caught my first ever carp through the ice. So that was a blast. and I'll definitely be coming back to check this out again. Thanks for tuning in to Twin Cities Outdoors, folks. Stay tuned for the next episode.